Top 7 Benefit of Dry Fruit Milkshake. Here are 7 potential benefits of consuming dry fruit milkshakes. 1. Nutrient-dense. Dry fruit milkshakes provide a concentrated source of nutrients from various dry fruits, including vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and healthy fats. This can help meet your daily nutritional needs and support overall health. 2. Energy boost. Dry fruits are rich in natural sugars and healthy fats, which provide a quick and sustained energy boost. Including them in a milkshake can be beneficial for individuals needing an energy pick-me-up or those involved in physical activities. 3. Digestive health. Dry fruits, such as dates and figs, are high in dietary fiber. Consuming a dry fruit milkshake can support healthy digestion, prevent constipation, and promote regular bowel movements. 4. Antioxidant activity. Dry fruits, including raisins, apricots, and prunes, are packed with antioxidants that help protect cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. Antioxidants have been linked to a reduced risk of chronic diseases and improved overall health. 5. Heart health. Dry fruits like almonds and walnuts are known to be heart healthy. They contain healthy fats, including omega-3 fatty acids and monounsaturated fats, which can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease when consumed as part of a balanced diet. 6. Bone health. Dry fruits such as almonds and figs contain minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which are important for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Including dry fruit milkshakes in your diet can contribute to overall bone health. 7. Immune support. Dry fruits like raisins and apricots contain vitamins and minerals that support immune function, such as vitamin C and zinc. Consuming dry fruit milkshakes can help boost your immune system and improve your body's defense against infections and illnesses. It's important to note that dry fruit milkshakes can be calorie-dense due to their natural sugar and fat content. It's advisable to consume them in moderation and consider portion sizes as part of an overall balanced diet. Additionally, if you have any specific dietary requirements or health conditions, it's recommended to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized advice.